he put again another. Oh my God, he's like, I was so mad.
You're using this compost?
No, I'm throwing it away.
Oh.
Why?
No, I'm just asking. I
No,
thought
look
they
at my
use it
bag.
for...
It's not like the before.
Malaglag.
Daddy.
Careful.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, hindi napupunta dyan kung wala ang tao. Your uncle will be 85. 85. Oh, you like, African tea ko, lemon. There's something, iganin mo yung lemon muna ha, because there's no enough juice. At imunamot kang DJ ko ha, nadul-dul DJ ko na.
Meron ako sa ginger. Ginger.
Oh, yun nga eh.
Bubuhay.
Maybe need water? Look at that.
Itong ano, ang pala ko, wala.